Petitioners against the Affordable Housing Levy have termed it illegal as it overburdens Kenyans and denies them a dignified life. They told the three-judge bench of the High Court that the government hurriedly and forcefully enacted the law in disregard of the public participation, a constitutional requirement. And as Ruth Wamboi reports, Parliament was accused of overstepping their mandate by depriving Kenyans of property through punitive laws.
My Lord, in addition,
in a 6-hour submission, those opposing the housing levy, led by Dr. Magari Gikenyi, Okia Omtata put up a spirited fight before Justices Olga Sewe, Josephine Mongare and John Chegeti, citing the act an illegality in its entirety.
My Lord, you can only be limited under Article 24. And in that, it's not a blank check, my Lord and my ladies. The limitation must be reasonable and justiciable in an open and democratic society based on human dignity, equality, and freedom, my Lord.
We humbly submit that this court allows the petition on the grounds that the effects of the enactment and application of the said provision leads to illegal, unreasonable, and unjustified limitation of rights contrary to the Constitution.
They said most Kenyans rejected the bill as they already had houses or other plans for housing.
Parliament oversteps the bound of their powers in enacting laws that contravene Article 40 of the Constitution that clearly states that one cannot alienate property from Kenyans.
The state was also accused of abdicating its duty of protecting the vulnerable by imposing a mandatory 1.5% deduction for everyone regardless of their income bracket.
We are told that you will be taxed at the rate of 1.5%. Where is the scientific study leading to that particular amount? The figure is so arbitrary that you can't understand what they are trying to achieve. There's no study to show that that's the figure at which anything will be achieved.
They also allegedly usurp the role of counties to plan housing. The petitioners also say that despite the mandatory deductions of the levy, there was no laid down procedure or guarantee that people will get their houses.
The fact that that essential information has been hidden from Kenyans offends Article 10.
The Respondents' Councils, led by Charles Mutinda and Mahat Somane, will on Thursday submit their defense of the affordable housing before the judges retreat to give a judgment. With day one full submissions from the petitioners, the bench has been urged to reject the act in totality, citing that despite the name being affordable housing, it is for the haves and not for the have-nots. Ruth Wamboi reporting from Milimani Law Courts.